Alright, the electron gun power cable. There we go. Oh, also you can't forget about the power cable. There we go. Alright, so I'll go ahead and sit here and wait a little bit for all this to dry. While this is drying, I'm gonna wipe this off. So let's go ahead and grab this and just move it around in there. Clean off the spot for the speaker, for that, the CRT. My cat is right here. Alright, and give that a while. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry. Clean off the front bezel. Alright, now let's do the CRT. That was everything that was inside. So let's just clean off the CRT a little bit. Just add some of this right here. Alright. And of course we're gonna clean up the front. Alright. Now I'm just gonna leave it right there. Alright. While that's going, I'm gonna clean up the front, the back of the speaker. Clean off the wire a little bit, okay. And now the yoke. So we'll just get this right here. You know, finally, something that is not made in China. Do not want to get the varnish grains, so yeah. I'll also clean off my brush. There we go, and my screwdriver, and my camera lens. Haha. Alright, now I'm gonna go throw this in the garbage, and while I'm gonna throw it out, everything over here should be drying up. Be careful, that's wet. So yeah. Oh my god, 36 minutes. I mean, this is cleanup, so technically, yeah. Alright, so it's been about 1 minute, and I decided to grab some rough toilet paper, rough paper towels. I don't know, I just call them rough. These are like the ones that like have the 3 ones. Here it is. Oh, this one's got 4. I don't know, but I just like to call them rough because, I don't know, they just feel rough. We'll start with the CRT. Just not too much pressure on the CRT. This is glass, so it could break. Glass is glass, and glass could break. Alright, CRT complete. Now the case. you can already tell the difference. What is clean and what is not clean. Oh, some of the water is going down here. And I could just dry that off. Alright, and then right here. Alright, so, is this, oh no, it's dry. It's dry. Clean that off. Just clean this off. Alright. Let's go ahead and start reassembling the motherboard. So we'll pick it up. We'll slide it in. Good. Alright. So here it is. We're gonna pick it up. Right here, we're gonna take it and we're gonna put the power cord in there. Right there. Alright. Now we're gonna grab the speaker. We're gonna slide it in right here. Oh no. So we're gonna slide it in right here. We're gonna take this and this goes right into the motherboard. So we'll rotate that. There we go. Hopefully that's correct, yeah. So we're just gonna slide that in there, put that under there. Yeah, the speaker cable's kind of broken. Alright. Alright, what's next? CRT's next. So we're gonna get our ground cable. The ground cable goes over here, so it's gonna have to be like that. So like that. And like that. Alright, now let's start screwing it in. And then we're gonna finally be complete. So let me continue the stories a little bit. So then when I got it in my room, I cleaned off the CRT, the broken CRT. And that's it, I left it in my room until now we have Symphonic videos. So, yay. Okay, so we'll put on the yoke so that way we don't have to do it later. There we go. Alright, let's get this side. Alright, so we'll attach the motherboard onto the CRT. Give it a nice little wiggle, there we go. Slide that under there. And then this is the end button. So let's go ahead and screw in our last and final screw. hold on. Alright, so we're done with that one screw. There we are. And we're done. So reassembly was much easier than taking it apart. Mostly because of, But yeah, so we cleaned up the CRT, cleaned up the motherboard, cleaned up this, cleaned up the bottom of the CRT, the speaker, the yoke. And yeah, so that is it. I'm gonna go ahead and go enjoy my brand new clean CRT, put it back on my table, and yeah. So see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy these CRT restoration videos or whatever I do with them. So yeah, see ya. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.